Hey guys, CatHouse2 here, and today I'm going to be doing a Webkinz Wildcat collection. I thought this would be a cute idea for a video, so let's get started. The first Wildcat that I have is Lightning, my Icy Mist leopard. Next we have Sparkly, the Strawberry Cloud leopard. Then we have Zest, the Color Splash Tiger. Then we have Dove, the Lovely Leopard. And last but not least, we have Yukon, the Signature White Bengal Tiger. So those were all of my Webkinz Wildcats. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.